Welcome, in front of me is a Sony Xperia 10 Mark IV, and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, you'll want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using just the home screen as an example for this. And once your content is open and visible, all you will need to do is hold power key and the volume down at the same time. Which I didn't press power key, so let me try it again. There we go. Once you have the sound and a pop-up right here, you can let go of those keys. And this will stick around just for a brief moment with edit and share option. And after that moment, it just disappears. Now that screenshot that we have just captured can be found in our Photos application. As you can see, it's right at the top. So there we go. That's our screenshot. So that is how you can capture them. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.